How to make $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google Ads. So in this case, I will show exactly how I'm using different affiliate networks, not only ClickBank, to produce $500 and more dollars every single day. Okay, as you can see over here on my screen, right? I have 200 euros, 100 euros, 58 euros. So all these are daily commissions that are coming in every single day. Now, how I'm doing this, let me show you this. Okay, over here you can see, right, this is ClickBank product, this is ClickBank affiliate page. Now you can see, right, before I ever go into promoting any product, the number one thing you have to remember is this: ask yourself, what is the niche that you are going into? Is it a profitable niche? Are the people emotionally connected to their pain and problems? For example, you could go into the, let's say over here, woodworking niche. Can be really good. It's a hobby niche, right? Do it yourself niche. It's okay. But are people emotionally connected to the woodworking? Probably not. In this case, I'm going into weight loss, diabetes, dental problems, right? Back pain. All these things are serious pains, serious problems that people are daily looking for the solutions. But stay until the end of this video, and I'm going to reveal to you the secrets. And I dare to you, if you don't find any value at the end of this video, email me and I will send you $500 to your PayPal account or Stripe for wasting your time. Alright? So stay until the end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly what many gurus on ClickBank in expensive courses are not even sharing with you. As you can see over here, right, you can get approved. I love these kind of sites. I love this kind of ClickBank products. Why? Because as you can see, it's not easy to get approved. You need to get approved first. Why? So you can lower the competition rate. Competition is lower. Alright, let's go into the next step over here. As you can see, okay, we choose the product in the weight loss space. Great. Now, what is the most important thing is to collect leads. When I'm running YouTube ads, Google ads, what I do is I collect emails, because I wanna make money on the back end. You see, you need the owned asset. If you only run ads without collecting emails, you're basically gambling with your time and money. If YouTube or Google shuts you down, or Facebook ads shut you down tomorrow, you have no way and means to make money online. So what I do, as you can see, every single day I generate at least 200 to 500 emails to my email list, right? So you can see total leads, emails collected here, 192 today. So around 200 emails today, which is not bad, right? And I'm going to show you how I do this. Let's go straight into it over here. What is the most important thing is buyer's intent. If you run Google ads, remember this, right? If you want to look for buyers, people who will straight away click on your ad on Google or YouTube and buy through ClickBank supplements, through your landing page or mini blog, mini website, you have to remember this. This is the secret, right? You have to understand the timeline extending back to about 45 to 60 days, followed by keyword research, and followed by consumption of sales material. What does it mean? The buyers are the people, the best buyers, and that's the secret. The best buyers are the people who recently bought supplements. For example, maybe your friend bought whey protein shake. Maybe they bought fish oil, maybe vitamin C, maybe they bought some kind of supplements for weight loss 2 months ago, 1 month ago, 30 days ago. Those are the buyers. Those are the people who constantly buy. It's called instant purchase, right? So if you run Google ads, you have to remember, the higher the intent, the higher is the chance they are going to buy the product. So buyer's intent is the number one name of the game in affiliate marketing. Okay, and someone cannot be in a buying state unless they are in a problem state. So they need to have a problem first. Now, the next thing is stages. What kind of awareness stages is your audience in? We have 5 stages. First one, unaware. They are not aware they have a problem. They don't know they need to lose weight. They don't know they need to buy a supplement. Then we have a problem-aware audience, solution-aware audience, product-aware audience, and most-aware audience. You see, those are the 5 stages of awareness for your audiences that you market to. I dare to say that many courses are not teaching these kind of secrets, right? Now, the big secrets many gurus on ClickBank are not telling you is this. When you set up the blog, when you set up the landing page on ClickFunnels or WordPress, you have to cater towards the audience you are speaking to with your language. If you target unaware audiences and you're using a simple ClickBank clickbaity page for a supplement, it will not work. First of all, you are going to lose lots of time, lots of money, and you are going to risk your account to get shut down, right? And it's not your fault. Maybe you bought many courses in the past about ClickBank, about affiliate marketing, and you got your account shut down, you got your YouTube ads rejected, you got Facebook ads rejected, you got Google ads shut down, and it's not your fault, I understand, because you haven't been told the secrets that many big super affiliates are using to make a lot of money, millions of dollars per year, right? If you can only capture 1% of what they do, it means you make $10,000 to $50,000 per month in personal income with online affiliate marketing, right? So very important thing. Now, what I do is I have targeted traffic with Google Ads. Again, why? Because of buyer's intent, right? People go to Google to look for the solutions to their pain and problems. Then they go to my opt-in page where I offer them with the right language, right? With the right pre-sale page. I pre-sell them, pre-frame them to buy a supplement on ClickBank for $47 to $150. And if they don't buy, I will ask them to subscribe to my email list so I can send them automated email follow-up autoresponder sequence, right? So I built my own asset like Airbnb. I have my own asset. I wake up in the morning, send done for me email, and I make $300 to $900 in a day, right? So that's how it works, right? You have to have someone who will guide you through step by step along the way and help you to basically get the result you desire, right? As you can see here in this case. Now, if you're still watching this video and if you wanna get the results, what you can do next? You can connect with me one-on-one, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and all the links to my Instagram, WhatsApp, email, Facebook, and my own private email list are in the description below this video. So you can subscribe to my email list. You can get daily videos, daily updates on what's working, what products to choose on ClickBank, MaxWeb, how to run ads, how to do copywriting. My personal contact, everything is there. So only if you're really, really serious to get started and start making some kind of change in your life, right? To make money online. Now you can also find me here. Let me show you over here. You can also connect with me on my Instagram over here, right? So under this video going to be all the links. You can find me here, as you can see, right? So all these links, all these kind of things are possible because of affiliate marketing, right? As you can see over here, all these things are possible because of affiliate marketing, because you can take action now and start generating some really, really good results, right? And start making money online. So you can subscribe to my channel and connect with me one-on-one.